In this video, I'll guide you through how to edit categories in Microsoft To Do using Outlook on the web or the new Outlook experience. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your category settings, how to rename them, change their colors, delete ones you no longer need, and create brand new categories to keep everything organized. Let's start from your Outlook web inbox or the new Outlook interface. Look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small gear icon. This is your settings button. Go ahead and click that. This opens a panel on the right side of the screen with a variety of options related to your Outlook and Microsoft To Do experience. Inside this settings panel, you'll want to navigate to the section called General. Depending on your layout, you might need to click View All Outlook Settings at the bottom of the panel first, then choose General from the list on the left. Once you're in the General section, look for the option labeled Categories and select it. This is where you manage all the categories that show up across Outlook and Microsoft To Do. Now you should see a list of your existing categories, each with a name and a color. From here, you can make a variety of changes. Let's start with renaming a category. If you have a category whose name no longer fits how you work, find it in the list and click the pencil icon next to that category. This will let you edit the name directly. Type in the new name you want to use, something that clearly describes the type of tasks or items you'll assign to it, and then confirm or save the change. Renaming is helpful when your workflow changes, but you still want to keep any items already labeled with that category. Next, you can change the color of a category. Colors are a quick visual cue that help you scan your tasks and emails more easily. To adjust a color, locate the category you want to update and click the color palette icon next to it. A selection of colors will appear. Choose the one that makes the most sense for you. For example, you might use bright colors for high priority categories and softer colors for reference or low priority ones. Once selected, the category updates instantly, and you'll see that new color applied wherever that category is used. If you have categories that you don't use anymore, you can clean things up by deleting them. Find the category you want to remove and click the trash can icon next to it. You may be asked to confirm that you really want to delete it. Keep in mind that deleting a category removes it from your list and from items where it was applied, so it's best to remove only those you're sure you no longer need. Finally, you can create new categories to better match your current projects or priorities. In the category settings, look for the option that says Create New Category and click it. You'll be prompted to enter a name for your new category and choose a color. Pick something meaningful and distinct from your existing categories so you can recognize it at a glance. After you save it, the new category is ready to use in Microsoft To Do and Outlook. That's all there is to it. By using the categories section in Outlook settings, you can rename, recolor, delete, and create categories, keeping your Microsoft To Do lists organized and perfectly aligned with the way you work.